Hello.
Oh, I was like, what's in your hand?
It's food.
I was like, what is that?
But this is Pikachu, the cockatiel.
Oh.
So cute. Cockatiels are from Australia. They're related to cockatoos. They're just tiny ones. And they're in the parrot family, as you know.
I used to actually work with a lot of cockatiels at Woodland Park Zoo. I worked with a guy, the flock was like over 100 birds. Yeah, there was a lot of them in there. They're pretty great. They would breed every year. There was a ton of them. That's all I remember.
Cool. It's cool to work with a group of like free-flighted birds. I love that. I love keeping our birds free-flighted.